Once upon a time, there was a forester who went into the woods to hunt. He suddenly heard a sound of crying from a child. Following the sound, he saw at the top of a tall tree there was a little child. A falcon had picked him up from his mother. The forester brought the child down, took him home, and brought him up with his own little girl, Lena. The child was called Foundling Bird. Foundling Bird and Lena loved each other so much, and they grew up day by day. The forester had an old cook. One day, she took a bucket to fetch water. She went out to the creek many times.
Old Santa, why you fetching so much water?
If you won't tell anyone, I will tell you.
I would not tell anyone.
When the water is boiling in the kettle, I will throw the bird into it and cook it.
Bird, bird, wake up, wake up.
Lena, what happened?
Old Santa fetched so many buckets of water, and she will boil a kettle full of water, throw you into it, and cook you. Never leave me, and I will never leave you.
Never ever.
You turn into an oak tree, and I turn a leaf on it.
The two kids are so naughty. They oughtn't to stay out so late. I just wanted to cook a wild duck for them. Forget it.